Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I just got the call and the necklaces that I had made are ready and I can go pick them up, and I have my list done. I have my suitcase out, and in less than 26 hours, I'm gonna be on a plane to Baltimore. See you soon, Joy. Baby girl, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, are you just enjoying the outside, huh? Just enjoying looking outside, huh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you're such a cutie pie. You're such a cutie pie. So here is the deal. Hi, baby. I am going to Baltimore to visit my best friend from college and her husband. Hey, Clint. He bought me a ticket to go see her for her birthday. I am so excited. She has no idea I'm coming, but I am. I will be there soon, and I'm really stoked. Like, talk about the best birthday gift ever. I kind of feel like it's a gift for me too, and I'm so excited. And so I just thought I would take you on the journey to getting ready for this trip, all the like little tips and tricks that I do to get ready for a trip like this. And yeah, I have a pretty cool, fun little birthday gift I'm giving to her too. So we're gonna go pick that up later. Until then, I have a lot to do and a lot to get organized. And I feel like that feeling of like, you're a little overwhelmed because you're like, I know I have so much to do. There's only so much time. So we just get started. Oh, hey, baby girl. Hi. Who's a good girl? Oh, who's a good girl? Oh. Say hi, Sadie. So, I just wanted to show you what I've got going on here. Hold on. What's that noise? I think Sadie locked herself in the back house. Did you get stuck in here? Stuck? Oh my goodness, baby girl. No, no. Frisbee, outside. Outside. Come on. I'm gonna miss this baby girl. I'm gonna miss you so much. Good catch. Okay, I think I've properly worn her out. Now we can get back to what I was saying. So what I have going on is I've got jackets, shirts, mostly long sleeve. We got leggings, we got a couple jeans, got a couple pairs of shoes. We got the boys' gifts, and we've got the start of getting ready stuff, and then like beanies and scarves and gloves and such. And of course the suitcase. So the next step is to clearly get more scarves going because I just love layering with scarves. And then pick out some outfits and see what of this I'm actually gonna bring with me. But first, I think I'm gonna go pick up my special birthday gift for my friend, and then we'll figure out what we're packing up. So we are going to go and pick up this little necklace. I'm so excited about it. Also, real quick, I just got to the mall. I wanted to let you know that I went and worked out this morning. I didn't take a shower yet, so I just had like workout makeup on, and I did add some lashes because I was gonna be picking up this necklace. And I just didn't want to get fully ready today because I'm going to be packing and trying on different outfits and stuff. So there's no really reason to like get fully ready, but I am out in public. So I thought I'd throw some lashes on. So that's what I did today. So this is workout makeup with lashes. Let's go pick up the necklace. Hello. Hello. Oh, yay, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, so cute.
Oh, those are darling.
Those are so cute. I love them so much.
Yay! And
Thank
I made
you.
sure all the price tags were taken off.
Okay, you're the best. Those were little necklaces, yeah. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you. Yay, I got it. I am so excited. So I came up with this fun idea. I'll show you when I get back to the house what I did. But I came up with the idea and didn't have enough time to go on Etsy or anything else or find a different place to make up. And then I remembered the other day that Things Remembered does things like this. So I'm so excited. Woo!
Oh my gosh. Next.
Nope, I don't need any more. Go home and pack, Ashley. Go home and pack. Okay, we just stopped at Target real quick on the way home because I needed to get more Lumify eye drops. I am pretty much out right now. I really don't think there's anything left in the bottle, but it lasted for like a year because I don't use them like every day, but they really, really work to make your eyes white. And I'm figuring I'm traveling a lot. I won't be getting the sleep I need, so I think these are gonna come in super handy. So I came and picked them up. Right, let's go home. Okay, so fine. I went to Target to get the eye drops, the one thing I needed, and then of course I got other things, but they're for the trip, okay? So I got these and then I just like always stroll back and forth down the makeup aisles because I can't help myself. But I also realized that I haven't got a pedicure and I need to paint my toes so they look presentable. So I got the Essie glitter nail polish. This color is Summit of Style. Now here's the thing I like about glitter nail polish when you're doing your own little home manicure pedicure, okay? Especially if you're going on vacation and you could take this with you. When your nails chip, and they'll inevitably chip because it's just polish. If you use a normal polish and they chip, you can't really go over your nails with the polish without you really seeing where the chip was, right? Glitter. When glitter chips, you can just put a little bit of glitter back in and it doesn't look like it chipped. It's magical. I talked about this, I think 2 years ago in Vlogmas, and I just love it so much. So this is my little secret when I go on vacation and I know I can't fix my nails or I want to be able to have nice looking nails, but they could get chipped. Does that make sense? So when you do chip your nails, inevitably when you paint them yourself, glitter, you could just go right over, just do a little dot, dot, dot. You don't even have to paint the whole nail. Just go where it was chipped and you have a perfect manicure again. It's crazy. So that's why I like glitter. And I'm all out of this. I only had a little bit left and it was all dried out. So I'm like, ooh, I'm going to grab some more. I'll do my toes tonight. And then I need to do my nails. So it's Valentine's Day. I thought I'd get some fun nails, little, you know, Valentine's colors kind of. And these are the eye press ones. I've showed you the ones that you glue on. These ones you just press on. They're pretty awesome. So if you're in the need for a fast manicure, $5.99 manicure. You have a manicure in minutes and it was only $5.99. It's a really good thing if you're in a tough bind. So I got some of these. I'll do these tonight too before I go to bed, along with my toes. And then, of course, I got the drops. And then I got my skin cleanser that I use on my face now, which I've talked about in a previous class on how I wash my face now. So the tiny little bottle that I can travel with, and then also a little Cetaphil lotion that I could take with me in my purse and stuff too, and use for my hands and stuff. Wow. That is what I got. Oh, I did get one more thing. Just kidding. I got a baby loofah. So I love, 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 love to travel with a baby loofah, and then I just throw it away at the end of the trip. I don't need it anymore. This costs 99 cents, but at the same time, I just love washing with a loofah. So buy a baby one and then throw it away. Okay, let's go home. Let's keep packing. Let's get this done faster. I wanted to go faster than this. I feel like I'm going really, really slow. It shouldn't take me all day to pack. It's actually not all day. It's only like noon right now, but it feels like I've been packing for a really long time. Let's get this show on the road and let's get done. Show you what I got. So I have a necklace that says hello, and then I have a necklace that says la la la, and that is the because that's just what we say. It's from Seinfeld. Hello. La, la, la. And anytime I call her, she answers the phone like that. And then anytime she calls me, I answer the phone like that. And even her boys, when I call, will answer the phone like that. It's pretty awesome. So this is what I had made. Super cute. And I'm really glad they turned out. It was quite the process to go through because they almost didn't have this one. I wanted the sterling silver so that it would last longer. They had a really cute rose gold plated one, but I really love that one, but I just want to make sure it lasts, you know? So I want to be able to shower in it. I got one for me and then I got one for her. So it's like little friendship necklaces with our inside joke on them. Super cute, and I'm really excited to give them to her. So yeah, had I thought about this idea earlier, I could have gone on Etsy or something to find something, but this still worked out really, really nicely. And I'm just like so excited I was able to get it done. I think it's a really cute idea. Maybe a good gift idea for you in the future if you're looking for something to give someone. Think about like a personal inside joke you guys have and how you could split it up like I did, like the hello and then the la. So it works perfect for us too because we just live so far away from each other. So that way, and whenever she wears it, she'll think of me, and whenever I wear mine, I'll think of her. So just a super little fun gift idea. Sadie, what are you doing? You're in my stuff. So I've got my list going right here, and I just add to it as I think of things. And then for planning the outfits, which is what I'm gonna do right now, I also like to write it down. So we got Friday night, mostly flying all day, getting late on Friday, so I really just need one outfit. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and I'm flying home on Tuesday, so I need a flying home outfit for Tuesday. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday, it's like, what are we gonna do? On one of the days we're gonna go work out, so I'm probably gonna bring a workout outfit just in case. And then I kind of wanna have a couple different options for each day in case we do something different during the day and then do something different at night. So I probably need, at least for those 3 days, I would say 5 outfits just so I have options, because I'm guaranteed to wear 3 outfits each day, and then I have 2 outfits in case I want to change clothes for later. So that's what I'm kind of gonna go with. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 outfits. I need 7 outfits, so let's start planning. Try on some clothes, and look what I found. What are you doing, baby? What are you doing? You're in my way. You're in my way, baby. He's such a little cutie pie. So I have my suitcase right here, and I'm just gonna start bringing stuff out. I'm gonna lay it on the ground. Sadie's probably gonna attack some of it, lay in it, whatever, I don't care. As long as I can see it, I know that I'm staying organized. I went out yesterday to Ross. I needed to kill some time, so I was just kind of like walking around and ended up finding some things that are gonna be super useful for this trip. I found some leggings that are fleece lined. I found black, I found red, like a maroon color, and I found gray. And I just love traveling with leggings because first of all, they're comfortable. Second of all, they can roll up super small so you save some space, unlike jeans or bulkier pants. And I found just like a pair of black plain ones. These ones all have like a little bit of texture to them, which I kind of like. And then I did find 2 pairs of jeans. They're super cute. I don't wear jeans a lot just because they're just not my thing lately, but I thought I would try to make it my thing a little bit more. So we're gonna put this down and I'm gonna see what I'm gonna pack of it later. And then I'm such a bad auntie. I got my friends' kids their Christmas gifts and I still haven't mailed them yet. So since I'm going out there, I thought I would bring them with me. So somehow we're gonna fit this in the luggage, in the one piece of luggage that I'm allowed to bring. Okay, so I kind of pulled out a lot and I'm not gonna take it all. I'm gonna put together outfits and see what works, but I gotta get it out to see what works. So I think I've done it. I found 7 outfits, including my flying there and flying home outfit. I'm excited. I feel super organized. I'm not gonna take more than I need, but I do still have a couple options and things that I could play around with if I want to. So yeah, this is super exciting. Sadie, Sadie, I totally have crazy hair right now. Definitely needs to be washed either tonight or tomorrow morning. Fresh, clean hair for the trip. But yeah, things are looking good. Let's pack it up. Oh, and this is going to be my travel outfit. Comfy, cozy, loose, still a little bit of, you know, little peek, little hey, a little bit of fun. So I'm gonna leave this outfit out and pack everything up. I feel pretty good about this. All I have to do is throw in some PJs and that's pretty much it. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, so we got Sadie here helping me out. You're really doing a good job, Sadie. So we have, well, the outfit I'm wearing to Baltimore. Then we have the outfit I'm gonna wear home from Baltimore, including some fun comfy slippers that I'll also wear while inside the house. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 outfits, another pair of shoes, the second pair of shoes I'm wearing, and then I do have an extra outfit, which is a workout outfit, with shoes in case we decide to go work out. I mean, who knows if we'll actually do that, but you never know. It's always good to be prepared. She likes to work out like I do, so you never know. So I'm just gonna bring that just in case, but here we go. This is what I'm bringing with me, including scarves and hats. I'm just gonna add some gloves, and then, yeah, just my makeup and my shower stuff. And that'll pretty much do it. I'm gonna pack it all in that